lunch from my mother. This is corned beef omelette a la Gian. Here are the ingredients. One can of corned beef and 2 pieces of eggs and 3 tablespoons cooking oil and salt and black pepper. And here are the materials: spatula, fork, spoon, and mixing bowl. And lastly, frying pan. First, crack the egg and and put the corned beef together and mix the corned beef and eggs and add salt and pepper and mix it well. Second, heat up the frying pan. Now we wait. Now the frying pan is hot. We put the cooking oil in. That's enough. Now we wait till the cooking oil is hot. Okay, now the cooking oil is hot. Now we add 2 tablespoons of corned beef.